you. And thank you, Prakash ji. आप कह रहे ना अलार्म लगा के आप उठ के नींद में से आए हैं. Thank you so much. So I'll just share my screen before we start the session and today's topic. To give a quick introduction about myself, I'm Bhavani Swaminathan, nutritionist and certified diabetes educator. About Get Set Up, we are educators and training organization. We do not sell anything or receive kickbacks from any product. And all the sessions are recorded. Isha will be putting up the email address in the chat box. So if you want, you can send a request to this email address to get the recording. And I request all of you to keep yourself on mute, and if you have any questions you can put it on the chat box. Isha will take up the questions at the end. In the last 15 minutes we'll have the Q&A session, and in case if you want to ask specifically something at the end, you can raise your hand and you can ask questions. And today's topic is which is the need of the hour, tips to increase immunity. And we'll understand some of the signs and signals that our body gives that it is not functioning properly, and we actually ignore those signals. And which food is the most important thing, as I always say, which food to include in our diet to boost immunity. Okay, now see, immunity, suddenly after this COVID pandemic, immunity has become a key word. Now everybody everywhere is talking about how to boost immunity, especially when you look at Facebook or YouTube, you will see thousands of videos uploaded how to increase immunity, and wherein you will find that the maximum attention which is given to is the haldi. And in CCD nowadays you get the turmeric latte. So wherein when Dadi or Nani used to give that haldi wala doodh, kids never used to like saying that what you are giving, and now they are spending money going and having this turmeric latte. So we can understand, now how important now immunity is, because I mean, we all know that after this COVID pandemic, it's very important to keep ourselves, with we have to keep, our immunity raised up, so that इन्फेक्शन हमें नहीं हो जल्दी से, अगर हुआ तो भी जल्दी से ठीक हो जाए. Okay, now before we understand that what are the foods that has to be included to increase the immunity, we must understand that our body gives certain signs and signals. Our body is a very intelligent machine. God has made this body and we actually do not take care of our body properly, but you will find that body keeps on giving you certain signals. And these signals we try to either neglect, or we don't bother much about it. And then when there is too much of some issue, then we run to a doctor, then we start taking medicines, and uske baad mein we know kabhi time ho लगता है ठीक होने में, kabhi jaldi ठीक हो जाता है. Now there are few signs or signals which generally, if you see, there is something called as Vat, Pitta or Kapha in Ayurveda. Okay, in our previous sessions, mudra sessions, I had told you this, that like the way we have external environment made out of 5 Panch Mahabhutas, which is called as Panch Mahabhutas, same way our internal system also has those Panch Mahabhutas, that is air, water, etc., all those 5 things. So when there is an imbalance in any of these things, then we get some or the other health issue or some diseases, right? Same way, something which is called as Vat, Pitta or Kapha and Kapha in Ayurveda language. So when there is an imbalance in this Vat, Pitta or Kapha, then we find कि body starts giving certain signals. And if we understand these signals and if we act accordingly, if we take care of our health at that point of time itself, then you will find that you will not land up in trouble. कोई बहुत ज्यादा बड़ी बीमारी नहीं होगी. So पहला signal क्या होता है? Generally, sometimes when you observe कि there's too much of pain in your body, joint ache, when you're sitting and doing some computer work, this portion starts paining, your joint starts paining, you have constipation, or extreme dryness on your skin. So these are some of the signs wherein the body is saying that the vata, जो वात है, उसका imbalance हो रहा है. So now we have to understand, suddenly if you're, see, these are very common things, pain हो रहा है, so we think चलो हो रहा है pain, कुछ हो गया होगा, pain हो रहा है, and people have this habit of taking quickly some painkiller. When the skin is becoming dry, we don't ignore, ठीक है, dry हो रहा है, maybe because of the weather changes and all, but these are certain small things which we need to understand. Constipation, now people think कि चलो constipation हो गया, मतलब maybe I have not eaten my food properly, that must be the reason, and they don't bother about it. So if you see these very minor signals, if you start observing, your skin is becoming dry, you are getting constipated, or you're getting some kind of joint pain, body ache and all, so immediately you should understand that there is an imbalance of vata. Now when there is imbalance of vata, what we have to do is we have to eat such food which will not aggravate the vata. Which will not aggravate the vata मतलब जो खाने से, जो भी खाना जो ऐसा होता है जिससे गैस फॉर्मेशन बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ जाता है, वो सारे फूड को हमें थोड़े दिन के लिए अवॉइड करना है. सो अवॉइडिंग heavy food, like too much of oily food, spicy food, फिर rich food, sweet food, try to avoid these food. So ये थोड़े टाइम के लिए हम नॉन वेजिटेरियन फूड, ये थोड़े टाइम के लिए जब हम अवॉइड करते हैं, सो धीरे धीरे वो नॉर्मल होने लगता है. सेकेंड साइन और सिम्टम में भी टूथ डीके. रेगुलरली टूथ में कुछ ना कुछ इश्यू आ रहा है, योर माउथ में जो ब्लिस्टर्स आते हैं, जिसको फोड़ा, जो छोटे छोटे फोड़े आते हैं, सो इफ यू स्टार्ट गेटिंग दैट, देन दैट मीन्स देयर इज एन इम्बैलेंस इन पित्त. पित्त दोषा जो है वो बढ़ रहा है उस तरह से. सो नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू ईट वेरी इंटेलिजेंटली. ईटिंग इंटेलिजेंटली मीन्स इन दिस केस कि आपको जो ये होते हैं स्पाइसेस जो होते हैं, जैसे बहुत सारा तीखा, ग्रीन चिलीज, रेड चिलीज, all these things we have to eat. Either for some days you stop or you eat less. ठीक है, तो ये मतलब these are simple things, simple signs which we see. तो अगर ऐसे छोटी छोटी चीजें when you start observing कि that something is happening, जो मुझे कुछ अजीब सा लग रहा है, which is not very common, कुछ नया सा हो रहा है मेरे बॉडी में, that means कुछ गड़बड़ है. So you have to think, because body is an intelligent machine, I said, so we have to think and accordingly उसको उस तरह से थोड़ा सा फूड देना है. Now because when उस टाइम पे जैसे हमें ये सिग्नल मिलता है, उस टाइम पे if we start taking care of our health, तो naturally आपका इम्यूनिटी बना रहेगा. एंड अनदर थिंग इज आप ज्यादा बीमार नहीं पड़ोगे, जिसकी वजह से आपको बहुत सारी दवाइयां नहीं खानी पड़ेगी. ओके, सो मूविंग ऑन टू व्हाट इज immunity. So there is a definition, I'll actually read out, I will tell you this definition. It's a which says that immunity in simple terms is the capacity to recognize and tolerate whatever belongs to the self and recognize and reject that is foreign, non self. मतलब immunity का मतलब है जो भी चीज अपनी है वो उसको recognize करता है, जो अपनी चीज नहीं है उसे reject करता है. ओके, नाउ दिस इज कॉल्ड एज इम्यूनिटी. अब इम्यूनिटी बढ़ाने के कौन कौन से तरीके हैं? Because see, now even medical science says that you have to somehow boost your immunity by doing good exercises, by doing pranayam and breathing exercises, plus taking care of your immunity by eating good food. Now when we talk about food, what all food we have to include in our diet before taking particular food, एक specific कौन से वो 10 12 15 food है, वो बोलने के पहले I would like to discuss a small a diet plan. Diet plan, specially this diet plan is designed for this period, pandemic period, जहाँ पे हम सबको, because the second phase has also come. So इसमें we know कि we hear all these negative vibes reaching us from nearby places, ये हो रहा है वो हो रहा है. तो ऐसे टाइम में make sure that you are taking care of your health properly. Now I'll share a very easy and a simple diet plan which you may note it down and you can follow this. 90% if you follow this, you will find that you are not going to fall sick. आप एकदम चुस्त और तंदुरुस्त रहोगे. So इसमें what happens when you get up in the morning, the first thing, if you have the habit of having tea or coffee, slowly इसको थोड़े टाइम के लिए for few months stop taking your tea or coffee when you get up in the morning. You can have this tea or coffee later, थोड़े टाइम के बाद में, but when you get up in the morning, make sure that you take a glass of lukewarm water. In that lukewarm water you add वन आई मीन एक जो नींबू हाफ करके, जो हाफ नींबू होता है उसका नींबू जूस मिला के उसमें just half teaspoon of chia seeds, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and just a pinch of haldi powder. You mix all these things. The first thing is when you get up in the morning, you drink this. Okay, this is I mean it's very simple, everything is available in our kitchen. खाली आपको सुबह उठते ही ये वाला जो this it won't be called as a kadha, it's just a drink. So this you drink in the morning. After this, there's one more thing which any point of time in a day you can do, and I suggest that make it a routine. ये जो अभी दूसरा वाला मैं आपको टिप दे रही हूँ, make sure that you have this every day at least once. एनी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, दिन में, आफ्टरनून में, रात में सोने के पहले, जब भी आपको याद आता है, जब भी आपको टाइम मिलता है, यू कैन डू दिस. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज जस्ट स्क्वीज फ्रेश जिंजर जूस, से 1 टीस्पून ऑफ फ्रेश जिंजर जूस, उसमें 1 टीस्पून ऑफ हनी यू ऐड एंड यू हैव दिस. Okay, this ginger contains gingerol, so this is going to help you to get rid of vata problems, one thing. Secondly, it is going to boost your immunity. So every day, कोई भी एज ग्रुप का हो चाहे छोटा बच्चा हो या एल्डरली पर्सन, एनी एज ग्रुप पर्सन, irrespective of what medications you are taking, what if you have any health issue, doesn't matter, this has कोई side effect इसका नहीं है. So you can just have this. So morning में the warm water plus those things which I said, you start drinking that. Then any point of time in a day you have this ginger juice and plus honey added to it. Moving on to the breakfast part. Now breakfast is a concept, I mean, that we have adapted from the West. Okay. Now breakfast, actually, if you see all the researches which is being done in the breakfast about the breakfast, so these are all, big, these food companies which they have done with the research, right? Abhi ye research kaise jo marketed ye products hote hain, like cornflakes, or there are so many things, muesli, so many things. Now ये लोग कहते हैं कि breakfast is very important, but ideally when you see I'll just share a very, it's a kind of joke kind of thing, you might laugh at this. When you see some comic pictures where the Raja is sitting, king is sitting, and king has 4-5 queens near him. So one is feeding him with grapes, another one giving some other fruit, another one is giving dry fruits. कॉमिक फोटोज में हम लोगों ने देखा है ना ये पिक्चर. सो एक्चुअली ब्रेकफास्ट का मतलब होता है, डजंट मीन कि भर भर के बहुत सारी चीजें खाना है. ओके, ब्रेकफास्ट हैज टू बी जनरली, अगर आप देखोगे तो ब्रेकफास्ट शुड हैव मोर ऑफ फ्रूट्स, smoothies, juices, and all those things. But if you cannot have these things, go for freshly cooked breakfast. But that breakfast, the quantity has to be less, because what happens, say around 9-9:30 you have your breakfast, and ideally by 1 o'clock you should finish your lunch. ठीक है. सो अगर आप सोचते हो कि 9:30 बजे हमने ब्रेकफास्ट किया, 2-3 बजे लंच करेंगे, but then that 2-3 o'clock is not the right time to have lunch. The reason is till 1 o'clock, I mean the 11 to 1 is the time where the pitta is very high. पित्त मीन्स जो हमारा डाइजेस्ट करने की हमारी जो क्षमता होती है वो बहुत तेज होता है आफ्टरनून के टाइम पे 11 से 1 या 1:30 बजे तक. सो इफ यू फिनिश योर लंच बाय दैट टाइम, यू विल फाइंड इफ यू हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ डाइजेशन प्रॉब्लम, इट विल बी रिजॉल्व. डाइजेशन बहुत आसानी से होता है, एंड दैट्स द रीजन यू हैव टू फिनिश योर लंच ideally by 1 o'clock. So if you are eating a very heavy breakfast at 9 o'clock, you will not be able to eat your lunch at 1 o'clock. So I would suggest, if you are used to having some breakfast, it can be poha or upma or idli or dosa or whatever you have. So have little. Say instead of having 4 idlis, you have just 2 idlis. Instead of having 4 5 dosas, you just have 1 or 2 dosas. एक मीडियम बोल पोहा की जगह पे छोटा बोल पोहा आप लेना. So quantity has to be less. And if you can switch to just fruits instead of having this kind of breakfast, that is excellent अगर आपसे हो पाता है तो. But if you have fruits, so by 12 o'clock you will be very hungry. You will finish your dinner, your lunch by 12-12:30. तो वो एक बहुत आइडियल चीज होता है इस तरह से एक रूटीन सेट करने का. बट इफ यू कैन नॉट डू, देन ईट वेरी less breakfast, freshly cooked breakfast. Do not go for cornflakes and all those kind of processed thing. Make sure homemade simple breakfast. Moving on to the lunch. Okay, now lunch may, again, it's a very simple food, the either dal chawal sabzi or roti dal sabzi, those kind of thing you take. And make sure that most of the time, at least if you're a non-vegetarian eater, so make sure that every day you're not consuming non-vegetarian food. Say once or twice in a week is fine. So best diet, especially during this time, is simple vegetarian diet. If you follow, that is going to really help to boost your immunity. Okay, so moving on from lunch to then when we go to and in the lunch, make sure that you have buttermilk, because Gujaratis and South Indians generally they have the habit of having buttermilk. For others also, make sure at least one big glass of buttermilk you are having every day after your lunch. Then moving on to the evening part. So evening mein again, when you're hungry, so make sure that you're consuming some healthy fats. It can be dry fruits, it can be some nuts ka laddus or dry fruit ka laddus or some makhanas or chiuda, those kind of stuff. थोड़े से क्वांटिटी में, क्योंकि इवनिंग टाइम इज समथिंग वेयर वी आर हंग्री. So instead of taking out the packeted ones and all those things, you eat these things and finish your dinner by 7:30 or 8 o'clock max. So जब आप डिनर लेते हो तो डिनर अगेन हैज टू बी लिटिल लाइट इन द सेंस, earlier also I shared this dal soup recipe which lot of people they like. So this is actually filling and it is high in protein also. So आप ये dal soup लोगे, even this dal soup you can have it with the rice also. Basically it is made out of dal only, combination of 2-3 dals. So that is also, even at night if you have dal chawal, that is fine. You can go for just chapati or bhaji, or you can have only the dal soup something, but that has to end by 7:30 or maximum 8. And when you are going to sleep, just have a glass of milk, warm milk, adding a pinch of turmeric powder and little honey to it. So this is a kind of routine which if you follow every day, and plus the thing which I said, the morning, the drink and the ginger and honey wala thing, which juice and honey. So this if you start doing, so you'll find that automatically there is going to be your immunity is going to thoda sa aapka badhega, increase hoga hi hoga. So now moving on to those particular food which is going to increase the immunity. Now what are these food? So number one, we know that citrus fruits are very helpful in increasing our immunity. So citrus fruit may, all through the year we are getting lemons. So nimbu is easily available all 12 months. So I mean, nimbu is a thing which you make it compulsory in your diet. किसी भी form में, a small piece of nimbu, just squeezing it on your dal or on your sabji during your lunch and dinner, every morning drinking this nimbu juice. So in a day, at least 1 to 1.5 nimbu आपके पेट में अगर जाता है, that means कोई भी बीमारी जल्दी से आपको अटैक नहीं कर सकेगी. मेक श्योर ऑफ दैट. आपको 100% इस बात की गारंटी होगी कि कोई भी जर्म्स, कोई भी वायरस, कुछ भी, कोई भी बैक्टीरिया मुझे अटैक नहीं करने वाला है. Only thing you have to remember is every day, each day, 1 or 1.5, आप 2 तक उसको exceed कर सकते हैं. So wherever you can, if you love tea or coffee, so rather than 4-5 times going for tea and coffee, you can go for this kind of, you know, नींबू का squeeze करके उसमें certain herbs and these things you can add. उसको गरम करके you can add either honey or you can add jaggery to it. So 2-3 बार इस तरह से आप दिन में ले सकते हैं. Plus you can squeeze नींबू on your dal, on your sabji and all. So nimbu is the best option and the first option. And when we talk about these lemons, now oranges are disappearing slowly. Oranges का season खत्म हो रहा है. So अभी आपको ये मौसम्बी मिलना शुरू होगा. So you can add मौसम्बी in your diet. You can add pineapple in your diet. If you like pineapple, you can go for pineapple 2 to 3 times a week. Avla. Now avla is the best source of vitamin C. Avla ka, now again all these months we were getting fresh avlas, so now you will not get those fresh avlas. So abhi aap ye season mein, matlab summer or monsoon ke liye, you can go for avla chutneys, you can go for avla achar, you can go for avla murabbas. Make sure thoda thoda avla bhi roz include ho raha hai diet mein. So that is one thing. Moving on to the second ingredient that can be used in the to boost the immunity, and that is the bell pepper. So bell pepper, red and yellow bell pepper are they have got twice as much as vitamin C compared to lemon or lemon. So उतना उसमें ज़्यादा वो powerful है. So at least thrice a week you can go for these bell pepper. आप कुछ भी उसकी सब्जी बना सकते हैं, or you can make, you know, even in your sambar you can add in your dal. So somewhere where you can make something out of it, so use the bell pepper at least twice or thrice a week. आपको bell pepper you have to include in your diet. Moving on to the next ingredient, that is the most common one, and that is garlic. So garlic, generally people have garlic, log lete hain. So if you are not if you are Jain or if you do not eat garlic, so it, just take it as medicine, not even not every day, because people who are regularly eating garlic, for them that's fine, perfect, you can continue with that. But there are a lot of people who do not eat garlic. For them, at least once in a month, just 4-5 days you eat garlic, you consume garlic, you just make garlic tea. अगर आपको garlic बिल्कुल नहीं, for example me, I can't have garlic, I don't like garlic, we don't actually eat in our family, we don't eat garlic. So what we do is every month, just I make a record of this, कि month का जब beginning होता है, so the first 5 or 6 days we all take garlic tea. Now garlic tea is very easy to make, no jhanjat, nothing. And if you do not like the taste of the garlic also, but you will not understand कि ये garlic से बना है, what you have to do is just take 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, उसका skin निकाल के just crush it, leave it for 5 minutes as it is. उसके बाद में you add it to a glass of water, उसको heat करके strain it, and you can add honey to it or jaggery to it. So you will not feel that you're having garlic, those who cannot have garlic. So at least in a month, 5 to 6 days you can go for this garlic tea. This is very helpful, क्योंकि जितने भी अंदर के जो टॉक्सिन्स होते हैं, या फिर अगर कुछ जर्म्स या कोई वायरस जो भी है, garlic acts as a medicine. Okay, so ये उसको फटाक से हटा देगा. So every month if you make a practice to have this for 5 to, and those who are regularly eating garlic, that's perfectly all right. Apart from that, you can even go for this garlic tea. Ginger, anyways, as I said, every day we are going to include in the form of juice along with the honey. That is fine. Now moving on to the next ingredient is the most important one, that is yogurt. Yogurt is an excellent probiotic which is very beneficial for gut health. जितना हमारा intestine, हमारा पेट जितना अच्छा रहेगा, उतना ज्यादा हमारे में कैपेसिटी होगी कोई भी बैक्टीरिया या कोई भी वायरस को लड़ने के लिए. So this including buttermilk, and especially if you are having a good breakfast, like paratha or something like that, तो आप make sure that at least twice or thrice a week you are having dahi along with your breakfast. But dahi should be homemade, not the dabba one which we buy from the packet one which we buy from the market, because that does not have the essential bacteria which are required for our gut health. घर में जो fresh दही बनता है उसी में वो bacteria होते हैं जो helpful bacteria जो हमारे stomach को मदद करते हैं इसको maintain करने के लिए. So do not go for the packeted ones. Moving on to the next ingredient is to boost the immunity is this is I mean excellent thing, and that is almonds. But now summer has started, तो almonds बहुत ज्यादा लेना भी ठीक नहीं होगा, उससे गर्मी बढ़ती है. So take less number of almonds, say for example 5 to 6 almonds in a day. You can soak it, and then because it can be easily digested. And another thing is to chew करने में भी easy होता है, so you can soak the almonds. This is one thing which you can take. एंड जिसमें विटामिन ई की जो कमी होगी वो भी पूरा हो जाएगा आपके बॉडी के लिए, एंड दैट इज आल्सो गोइंग टू बूस्ट द इम्यूनिटी. And then moving on to the next ingredient is turmeric. We all know about turmeric, so extra I need not tell anything about turmeric. So turmeric का specially जो कच्चा हल्दी होता है that is much more beneficial, and the turmeric contains a component called curcumin. So ये turmeric का powder जो होता है, like we are anyways in our Indian cooking we use turmeric powder in different food, anything we prepare we are adding turmeric. But then turmeric को right तरीका जो होता है वो लेने का है. You have to add it to warm milk, and with turmeric powder make sure that you are adding a small amount of a pinch of black pepper also to it. So if before going to bed you are taking this milk, adding turmeric powder and black pepper powder, just to give a taste you can add a little bit of honey to it. So this is going to help you in a better way. So combination of turmeric and pepper is very beneficial. Okay, and moving on to again one more vitamin C rich food I forgot to mention, that is papaya. Now papaya का season भी है, so you can go for papaya small, थोड़ा quantity का papaya mid morning or mid evening when you are hungry, you can go for papaya, and that's excellent source of vitamin C. And apart from this, you know, sunflower seeds. So sunflower seeds are extremely beneficial, बट हम लोग उसको यूज नहीं करते सनफ्लावर सीड को अच्छी तरीके से. So sunflower seed, either you can make a paste when you are making some gravy sabji, gravy, some curry, or another thing you can do is you can add, you know, just dry roast sunflower seeds, make powder of it, उसके साथ में थोड़ा सा black pepper powder also you keep, and take a small amount of ghee. वो घी में पहले ब्लैक पेपर को आप पाउडर को आप रोस्ट कर लेना, उसके ऊपर सनफ्लावर सीड का जो पाउडर है उसको डाल के रोस्ट करके, देन जो खोपरा होता है ना, खोपरा इज द ड्राई कोकोनट, यू नो. सो ड्राई कोकोनट आल्सो हैज लॉट ऑफ benefits. It is excellent. I mean, if you start using in your diet, you know, that is going to help to boost immunity. But dry coconut को अगर आप grate करके when you are adding with the sunflower seed का powder and the pepper powder, and you have to make a kind of syrup, you know, like generally people use sugar, but I don't use sugar. So instead of sugar, you can make this syrup out of the khadi shakkar, that is mishri, and इसको पूरी तरह से mix करके you can make laddus out of it. Now this laddu is excellent, you know, rather than giving chocolates and other things, pastries and all to your kids, start giving these laddus. This is going to boost their immunity. It has got pepper, it has got the copra, that is a dry coconut, and the best part is sunflower seeds. So sunflower seeds as it is हम लोग उसको नहीं लेते हैं, समझ में नहीं आता है किस तरह से लेना है. So this is one way of making it interesting and having the sunflower seeds. Okay, now moving on to the next ingredient. This is
एक बार जरा दोबारा बता दीजिए सनफ्लावर सीड वाला दोबारा.
या कुछ बोल रहे हैं प्रकाश जी? दोबारा
जरा, हाँ दोबारा जरा.
No, I couldn't get.
सनफ्लावर सीड का जो बताया,
सनफ्लावर
सीड का दोबारा
सीड वाला था.
Repeat. अच्छा, sunflower seed का you want to hear the recipe again?
Yeah.
Okay, the sunflower seed को dry roast करके make a powder of it, and pepper का भी आप अलग से powder बना लेना. So in a pan you are heating little bit of ghee. In that ghee You just saute this pepper powder first and on that you add sunflower seed का powder. उसको थोड़ा सा saute करके जो खोपरा होता है dry coconut, you just grate that dry coconut इसमें add करके खोपरे को add करके आप 1-2 मिनट के लिए और saute करेंगे. Then in another कढ़ाई you have to make a syrup adding मिश्री का जो पाउडर हम लोग बना के रख सकते हैं, वो पाउडर एंड लिटिल वाटर, वो जस्ट स्टिकी एक कंसिस्टेंसी आता है. वो जैसी स्टिकी कंसिस्टेंसी आएगा यू ऐड ऑल दीज ड्राई इंग्रेडिएंट्स टू इट एंड थोड़ा सा इलायची पाउडर एक खुशबू के लिए आप ऊपर से डाल सकते हैं. देन थोड़ा जब वार्म रहेगा इमीडिएटली यू मेक लड्डूज आउट ऑफ इट. So this is when you are very hungry at any point of time you can have this. This is going to boost the immune system because sunflower seeds we don't have as it is, ज्यादा हम लोग नहीं लेते हैं. इसके बाद में एक और सबसे एक्चुअली दिस जो अभी जो मैं बताने जा रही हूँ द थिंग दिस शुड हैव कम ऑन द नंबर 1 टॉप लेवल. दिस इज गिलोय. गिलोय इज आई वुड सजेस्ट एवरीबॉडी, घर में जो यंगस्टर्स से लेकर के ओल्ड पीपल तक एवरीबॉडी यू स्टार्ट टेकिंग गिलोय ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम which is very crucial. Giloy is excellent immunity booster. Now Giloy very easy to take.
How do you spell that? What is that?
Giloy, Giloy. Giloy.
What is Giloy?
Giloy is a plant. So Giloy is nowadays all the medical companies. It's actually this was in Ayurveda, but now all the medical companies have started selling this Giloy tablets, Giloy Vati, which is called as.
मैडम पतंजलि का मिलता है, डाबर का मिलता है, पतंजलि का मिलता है, सबका मिलता है टैबलेट.
What is the Indian name?
हिमालय में मिलता है.
Is the
छोटा प्लांट भी रख सकते हैं घर में.
प्लांट भी रख सकते हैं बट आई नो पीपल आर नॉट दैट यू नो इतना मेहनत करने वाले, कोई तो सबको इजी चाहिए होता है. सो गिलोय वटी इज
एक्चुअली गिलोय का
best
प्लांट
option.
हमारे यहाँ है तो हम ग्रीन उसकी डंडियां ले सकते हैं खाने के
Yes,
लिए.
you can make juice out of it. If you have Giloy plant at your house, you can make juice out of it and you can drink that juice. But the easiest option is, one is you can get the tablets which is called as Giloy Vati. Second is Giloy ka juice is also available. Third is Giloy ka powder is also available. So Giloy ka powder if you are taking, so that powder you have to mix it with water and you can dilute it and you can have juice को आप ऐसे ही पी सकते हो. So Giloy tablet, that is Vati, any point of the day you can have the tablet. And I'm telling you, yeah, I think this is something.
स्टेम से बनता है पाउडर. गिलोय स्टेम से बनता है पाउडर. पाउडर गिलोय स्टेम से बनता है.
गिलोय पाउडर किससे बनता है दैट तो आई डू नॉट नो, बट गिलोय पाउडर इज अवेलेबल. एंड ये जो गिलोय है दिस इज एक्चुअली इतना ज्यादा ये, बिकॉज आई हैव सीन इन माई फैमिली इटसेल्फ. हम लोगों ने जब से ये स्टार्ट हुआ पैंडेमिक उसके कुछ महीनों के बाद से वी ऑल स्टार्टेड विद दिस गिलोय एंड टचवुड मतलब नथिंग. ये गिलोय का इट्स प्रूवन नाउ कि इट हैज टू बी, यू नो, आप कोई भी फॉर्म में ले लो ये आपको हेल्प करेगा. सो ये बहुत ज्यादा आपकी इम्यूनिटी को बढ़ाए रखता है. सो जो फीवर या कफ कोल्ड ये जो छोटी छोटी चीजें, बिकॉज नाउ दिस इज समथिंग विच इज गोइंग टू, ये छोटी चीजों से ही हमें डर लगता है कि कहीं कोविड ना आ जाए, तो इसके लिए बहुत फायदेमंद है. सो एवरी डे यू कैन हैव गिलोय, आप लेके रख सकते हो. इफ यू हैव द प्लांट यू कैन मेक जूस आउट ऑफ इट. एंड द नेक्स्ट ingredient, I mean, which is every, मेरे ख्याल सबके घर में रहता है, तुलसी. Now तुलसी is there at everyone's house. तुलसी के आप 2-3 पत्ते लेकर के खाली चबा लें उसको, that is enough. You can even make your own tulsi ka tea. Just boil water, add tulsi to it, little bit of, you know, cinnamon powder, little bit of lavang powder, और उसमें आप थोड़ी सी गुड़ मिला लें. So that you can make, you know, these things instead of going for some, you know, other drinks. थोड़ी थोड़ी चीजें ऐसे बना के आप पी लोगे तो इट इज गोइंग टू रियली हेल्प यू. ओके, तुलसी लीव्स एज आई सेड.
नेम है गिलोय का इंडियन नेम क्या है?
गिलोय इज इंडियन ओनली. आयुर्वेदिक नेम ही गिलोय है. दिस इज नॉट वी हैव अडॉप्टेड फ्रॉम वेस्ट. ये अपनी चीज का नाम ही गिलोय है.
मैम आपको बेल दिखाऊं गिलोय की? मैं आपको गिलोय का क्लाइंबर दिखाऊं मैम?
What I didn't get?
मैम गिलोय का बेल दिखाऊं मैं, कैसा आप बताएंगे, दिखाऊं क्या?
Yeah, yes,
Ah, yes, please. Even we would like to see it. So I can also plant tree.
Just
गिलोय का plant मेरे को please हम
Isha,
भी
it
देख लेते हैं.
would be nice if we can spotlight her.
What's her name? I think Gurvinder Kaur.
A person who is going to show the Giloy plant,
Tablet.
can you tell your name?
टैबलेट्स देखो, गिलोई, गिलोई टैबलेट,
Even I have a Giloy plant in the house.
new leaves are coming.
गिलोई टैबलेट.
Is
One
this
second,
Shubhangi?
one second, one second. Who is the one who is about to show the Giloy plant? Please spell out your name.
गुरविंदर कौर.
Okay, okay.
Ravinder Kaur.
यही है मैम, ठीक है, यही है क्या?
आप दिख नहीं रहा है.
I spotlighted her, ma'am.
नहीं
Yeah, but
दिखा?
I mean, she's not showing the
अच्छा,
plant.
Yeah, now she shows.
गिलोय की बेल होती है, गिलोय की बेल होती है.
leaves are coming. New leaves are coming.
हाँ, पतली पतली उसकी डंडी होती है.
I can't actually.
Yes, ma'am, that is Giloy. That is Giloy.
She's
Even
showing.
I
Bhavani
have
ma'am, you can switch on to speaker view.
गिलोय है,
1 minute.
गिलोय है ये.
Let
हाँ मैम, दिखा क्या?
एक 1 second. I'll just come 1 second.
Okay,
Yeah. आप ये जो दिखा रहे ये this you are saying. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, that's Giloy.
Okay. Yes. ये अभी लीफ देखने पे पता चल रहा है.
मैम
Yes.
लीफ दिखना चाहिए.
हाँ, लीफ
Yes,
नहीं
madam,
दिख
it
रहा
looks
था
like
इतने
money
टाइम
plant.
से. Yeah,
It
yeah,
looks
I
like
couldn't
money
see
plant,
the
yeah.
leaf. Yeah,
Ma'am,
correct,
ask her
correct.
to show it clearly. I can't see at all what she is
Wait,
showing. Only
wait.
seeing the.
What I'll do is I'll share my screen. See, can you see this screen, all of you? I have shared
Yes,
the
yes.
screen. Okay, so Giloy looks something like this. वो जो हम लोग सोना देते हैं ना, दशहरे पे, उसके जैसे the leaves look like this. तो उसकी जो डंडियां आती है, this dandies are also used, the leaf is also used. So this is very very beneficial to maintain good health. तो immunity के लिए खासकर ये बहुत अच्छा होता है. So the plant looks somewhat like this, the picture which I am showing. Hope you all can see this on my screen.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes, we can see.
डंडी और लीफ दोनों यूज कर सकते हैं.
डंडिया भी यूज करते हैं. Yes, डंडी को भी यूज करते हैं. But there is certain way of using the डंडी. Leaves भी यूज करते हैं. So generally लोग घर पे बहुत ज्यादा गिलोय का प्लांट, जैसे आपके घर पे इनके घर पे था, वैसे यूजुअली अब बहुत ऐसे देखने को नहीं मिलता है. बट दैट्स द ओनली easiest thing which we can do is buy the vati or the powder, which is safe also. Okay, so these are some of the
How do we use the leaf? How do we use the Giloy leaf?
Giloy leaf is Giloy. Actually, I have never used, honestly speaking, Giloy
चबा के
leaf.
खाना होता है.
But इसको ले
चबा के
सकते हैं.
खाते हैं.
मैम इसका स्टेम खाते हैं मैम, इसके स्टेम को
Stem को भी कूट के, yes, stem को भी कूट के उसको actually पानी में boil करके लेते हैं stem को. Okay, generally stem is used in that way only. Okay, so Giloy is, I mean, I know if you don't have the plant, the best thing is, सबसे easiest thing is safe भी है. Either you go for the powder or you go for the vati. Both are, yeah, vati, that is a tablet that is easily available. So I would request
Tablet is okay now.
मैम
Tablet is okay.
Yes, tablet is fine.
इतना सा आप लगा दो मैम, आप इतना सा लगा दो ना मैम, इसको कुछ केयर करने का जरूरत नहीं है, अपने आप बढ़ता रहता है. ये हम इसको कितनी बार काट चुके हैं, ये अपने आप बढ़ता रहता है.
Yeah, that's very good. Yeah, Isha, I think you move on to the questions. I request all of you to keep yourself on mute. Let Isha come with the questions which is there on the chat box.
Aarti ji, can you?
Isha, please start with the questions.
ये समुद्र के अंदर कई बार जा चुके हैं, वहाँ के जानवरों के बारे में ये रिसर्च करते हैं, लेकिन
Hello.
बहुत ज्यादा
So let Isha finish with the questions and then you please ask questions. क्योंकि अब काफी लोगों ने chat में बहुत सारे questions डाले हैं पहले से. Let us finish with that first.
Can diabetic patient take Giloy?
Yes, they can take. Yeah.
1 second.
Yeah.
I have ginger in tea. Should I still have ginger juice?
No, ginger in tea is different. You continue with that, but ginger juice is something different. That is a raw juice, जिसको ginger का अर्क भी बोलते हैं. So वो लेना जरूरी है.
Ginger juice in summer with temperature going to 47 degrees is okay.
So that's okay. Just 1 teaspoon, small amount we are going to take, adding honey to it. So it's going to balance, not an issue. Or if you feel, or if you feel that because of the temperature, heat बढ़ेगा, तो just peel the skin, cut it into small pieces, add little nimbu juice to it, and you can take 1 teaspoon of this.
Ginger juice with rock salt will be helpful instead of ginger juice plus honey.
No, I mean, I didn't get what?
A piece of ginger with rock salt will be helpful, or instead of ginger juice plus honey.
See, ginger juice and honey is the best option, but if you are diabetic, so naturally you cannot go for honey. So in that case, you can add rock salt to it.
Ginger creates heat in the body in summer. So what about that?
That's what I said. Ginger creates heat in the body, but this is just 1 teaspoon we are going to have. If you feel that you will not be able to have the raw ginger juice, so just the best thing is cut ginger into small pieces, add nimbu juice to it. This is going to balance. इससे heat नहीं बढ़ेगा. Even at 50 degrees, if you have this in a day, once or twice, कुछ नहीं होता है इससे.
Curd is okay instead of buttermilk.
What?
Curd is okay instead of
curd is, I mean, buttermilk is far better than curd, but morning hours, especially for the breakfast, if you go for curd, that is fine. But afternoon mein buttermilk is better to have.
Is honey good for diabetic patients?
No. Diabetics can't have.
Can we have Loki juice in morning?
Loki juice is good to have. Yes, you can have.
Morning tea with ginger, mint leaves, lemongrass is good or not?
That is good only. Tea, the combination is good, but specifically if you want to boost your immunity, then the first thing when you get up in the morning, you have the warm water and the combination which I said. Okay, adding nimbu and cinnamon powder and turmeric powder to it, and then after some time you can go for the tea with your combinations.
Can people have raw garlic every day?
Can people
have raw garlic every day?
Raw garlic, yes, you can have, but a very small quantity, not much. बहुत थोड़ा सा.
Can we have seeds after food?
After food, not immediately after food. Maybe give a gap of 1 or 1.5 hours then.
Can honey be consumed at night before bed with turmeric?
Yes, it can be taken, provided if you are non-diabetic.
Can we make laddus with almonds, pistachios and walnuts along with the other ingredients?
You can make, but then almonds and pistachio, almonds especially, is going to, I mean, in summer it is not advisable to eat more of almonds. Almonds is good during winters. तो almond की quantity कम होनी चाहिए, pistachios भी कम होना चाहिए, walnuts भी कम. So actually that's the reason I shared this recipe specifically for the summer season, जहाँ पे ये इससे गर्मी नहीं बढ़ेगा. So you know, very little quantity of almond you can take. बहुत कम. Yeah.
How to consume? May I?
Yeah.
How to consume chia seeds by soaking it or as it is?
Chia seeds is good that you soak chia seeds and have. You can add it on your smoothie or you can add it on your milk. Even on your buttermilk, you can add chia seeds soaked.
Copra sunflower seeds ड्राई फ्रूट्स पाउडर मिक्स कर सकते हैं क्या?
कोपरा सनफ्लावर सीड्स फाइन, ड्राई फ्रूट पाउडर कम लेना, आपको कम लीजिएगा, ज्यादा नहीं.
How many tablets of Giloy is to be taken?
Just once in a day, anytime.
Ginger plus honey can be given to diabetic patients.
No, not honey.
The Giloy should be taken on empty stomach.
Giloy, tablet tablet is to be taken empty stomach or what? Tablet can't be taken in empty stomach, but the powder can be taken empty stomach, adding water to it.
The Giloy powder should be mixed with amla juice. Is that okay?
No. It has to be just plain water.
Can diabetic patient take Giloy tablets?
Yes.
How much Giloy powder should be consumed?
1 teaspoon with a half glass of water.
For how long we can take Giloy tablets or powder?
You can continue for 3-4 months, and you can give a break for 1 month. Again, you can start like that.
How much quantity of ginger and honey should be taken by 4-year-old?
For a 4-year-old child, you can just give him with a half teaspoon of ginger juice and 1 teaspoon of honey.
Recipe of morning lemon water with seeds.
Morning, you have to just lukewarm water, add lemon juice to it, add little bit of turmeric powder, cinnamon powder to it, and you can have this.
Can we make spicy chutney from sunflower seeds? Will that be equally healthy or not?
Spicy chutney will not be a good option, but you can, just dry roast it, and you can little bit of sendha namak you can add to it, and you can have that like a supari kind of thing. But spicy chutney will not be a good option.
Gopaji takes Triphala Churan, lukewarm water, and shall I take this immune water also along with this?
No, if you are taking Triphala Churn in the morning, at least half an hour gap you have to give. After that, only you can have this morning lukewarm water plus lemon juice.
Where will we get sunflower seeds?
Anywhere. It's very commonly, easily available. Any of the grocery shop you will get.
What is the best way to detoxify on daily basis?
Detoxify on daily basis, number 1 is drink plenty of water, especially during this season. And the way you at least 1 bottle, this is half-liter bottle I have. So if 1 liter bottle like this, you keep it under sunlight for 1 to 2 hours, it becomes warm. So that water you keep drinking. That is one way to clear your system, to detox your body. Second is you can go for all these herbal teas. So din mein 2 to 3 times you can go for the herbal tea. And if you can go out and if you can get this, सामने आप खड़े रह के अगर बना सकते हो, sugar cane juice बनवा सकते हो. So at least, in a thrice a week, if you consume sugar cane juice, fresh one, without adding ice or any masala to it, that's the best way to detox your liver. Liver अगर ठीक रहता है तो सारे functioning अपने आप ठीक हो जाते हैं.
Can we have Giloy in summer?
Yes.
Can we have tea made of ginger, elaichi, cinnamon, lemon, jaggery, and tulsi?
Now this, if you add milk to this, then little dicey. And when you are making milk tea, other ingredients are fine. You have to check for cinnamon, because cinnamon itself creates lot of heat. So chai is acidic. Uspe aap aur cinnamon add karo. Better you just remove cinnamon. Don't add cinnamon to it. Jaggery ka again milk curdles. So maybe at the end you can add. Other ingredients are fine.
Roasted flax seeds can be taken after lunch or not?
Yes, that can be taken.
How long can you have amla juice?
How long?
Can we have avla juice? Avla.
it's not an issue. You can keep on having that. कुछ नहीं होता है उससे. It's excellent for health. Yeah.
Avla pickle is good or not?
Yes, it's good.
Can we have mixed roasted seeds?
Mixed roasted seed you can have, yes.
What can be taken as a supplement for vitamin C, lemon juice or avla?
Both are equally good. Both are excellent.
Soaked methi seeds first in the morning is better or not?
So methi seed is good for two kind of people. One is those who are diabetic, and second is those who are looking for weight loss. So if you are diabetic, now you have to drink that water, you have to chew that methi seeds which is soaked. But if you are looking for weight loss, you have to soak it, you have to drink only the water, throw away the methi seeds. So बाकी लोगों के लिए कुछ फायदा नहीं है, ये खाली for people who are diabetic and those who are looking for weight loss, for them it is good.
How long can we have soaked methi seeds in water?
How long?
Yes.
At least 3 months.
Dose of Giloy should, when to take the dose of Giloy? The time.
The tablet.
The time.
No, the tablet, when you if you are taking the Giloy Vati, that is tablet, any time you can take. Just fix a time for you which is convenient for you. Afternoon, evening, after lunch, whatever. But when you are taking the powder, that has to be specific in the morning. Empty stomach.
After soaking black manuka in water, that water can be drunk if a person is diabetic.
That is a little dicey. I would suggest not to drink. Yeah.
Can we have pumpkin seeds every day in small quantity?
Yes, you can have. We can have.
That's it, ma'am. Done with the question.
So,
Hello.
Isha,
hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Can diabetes have sugarcane
Can I say
juice?
something?
Fresh.
No. You can't have. No.
You can't have. And also,
No.
like in milk tea, can we add tulsi or no?
Yes, you can add tulsi to milk tea.
Madam, nowadays red bell pepper and yellow, they while growing, they are using more pesticides. Is it okay to have
No,
it
see,
every day?
now, I'll tell you a very good question. This is most of the vegetables and fruits which we buy, they contain a lot of chemical fertilizers, pesticides and all. Okay. Now, the best thing which we can do is, now actually we are doing this also, but थोड़ा सा और हम लोग ये कर सकते हैं कि when you buy these things, just put it in take a big bucket of water, पूरा पानी भर के उसके अंदर में as it is आप डाल देना all the vegetables and fruits, leave it for 1 hour, and then you take it out. Once it dries up, then you put it inside your fridge. So this is the best way to get rid of the pesticides. So Isha, this for tomorrow's session, have you put up the link?
No, I'll just do that. One
So-
May I say something? Madam, may I say something?
What is the subject tomorrow?
May I say
जी
something?
प्रकाश जी क्या पूछ रहे हैं?
I take Giloy Vati with the Mahasudarshan Vati. So
हाँ.
it stopped the fever also. Mahasudarshan Vati.
Okay, I didn't know about the
Vati should be
Mahasudarshan.
crushed. That Vati should be crushed and taken in a hot water, lukewarm water.
Yeah. Okay. So this is a question from Pooja ji. Ma'am, what do you do with a lot of acidity and bloating and indigestion problem? So Pooja ji, we discussed the whole topic yesterday on our natural remedies. So we'll have another session on this soon, so that we can discuss. And Isha is going to put up the link for tomorrow's session, and see you at 3 p.m. tomorrow. And all of you, just give your feedback and rate the session. So,
Ma'am,
this yeah.
मेथी वाटर आप जो बोले हैं वो गर्म करके लेना कि ऐसे ही भिगो के वो वाटर पीना?
नहीं गरम नहीं करना है, ऐसे ही.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Thank
just confirming, in weight loss, we just have to give methi water, and in diabetes, we have to give methi water plus seeds. That's
Yes,
what you
yes,
said, no?
yes.
Okay,
Yes,
thank you,
yes,
thank you.
yes. Okay. And
Ma'am, what do you have
Jayanti,
tomorrow?
I've noted this session on knee pain, so I'll make a note of it and we'll do this session later. Yeah. Yeah, Isha,
Ma'am, what do you have tomorrow?
that's yeah, Isha is going to put up the link. Even I'm waiting for that. Just a second. And Isha will be sharing the email address wherein you can put your request for the recording, because I can see on the chat box people are giving their email IDs for the recorded session.
Ma'am, tomorrow's session is
Uploaded the
on
link
natural
for tomorrow's
foods.
session.
So tomorrow's session is healing with natural foods. Am I right, Isha? Yeah. So this is the topic at 3 p.m. So please join, all of you, and take care. And all of you.
I missed. Can
Your
that Giloy be taken by diabetic people? That Giloy tablet?
Yes, can be taken. It can be taken. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
If you have diabetes and you want weight loss also, then methi honey and seed we should take or not?
Yes. Anyways, diabetics can take both methi pani and seeds.
No, but you said a seed. If you want weight loss, seed should be thrown.
No,
So
because
then-
if a person is not diabetic and if he keeps on drinking water and as well as eating seeds, so there might be the sudden, lowering down of the glucose level. That's the
Okay.
reason seed should not be taken.
All
But
right.
if a person is diabetic and as well as he wants to lose the weight, then both can be taken, not an issue.
Fine, thank you.
Yeah, and so Isha has shared siddharth@getsetup.io. This email ID, you have to put your request for the this recording.
No. For recordings, you have to mail us on help@getsetup.io.
Okay. For the yeah. So for this email ID, what we have to send then, Siddharth?
Suggestions if they have.
Suggestions. Yeah, and I request all of you, please send your suggestions to this email ID, siddharth@getsetup.io. And like Jayanti ji said, knee pain, for knee pain, we want a session. So same way, you can put up your suggestions. So I'll get to know accordingly. We'll schedule all the classes later for the next month.
Bhavani ma'am, tomorrow's session's topic is try healing with natural foods.
Natural foods at 3 p.m. So thank you
Yes.
all of you. Join tomorrow at 3 p.m. Bye. Take care and start eating these foods to boost your immunity and take care of yourself. Bye, and give your feedback and rate your session. See you
Thank you,
tomorrow.
ma'am. Very nice session. Very nice.
Thank you. Bye.